I'll never forget the morning my coffee tasted like a swimming pool in Yellowstone. That ruined cup led to a ruined stomach for days, all thanks to a shady RV park water hookup. Finding a reliable RV water filter is a nightmare of confusing micron ratings and false flow rate promises. You buy one thinking you're safe, only to end up with a clogged hose or sulfur-smelling showers. I've spent months testing the most popular systems on the market to solve this. Stick around, because the #1 filter on this list completely revolutionized my life on the road. 7. WaterDrop RV Water Filter. This is an incredibly common inline-style filter that you have probably seen attached to hundreds of hoses at various campgrounds across the country. My initial impression when unboxing this unit was positive, as it feels relatively compact and straightforward to use. You simply attach it directly to your freshwater hose, making the initial setup process practically foolproof for beginners who just want to get their water flowing quickly after a long day of driving. This filter utilizes a combination of kinetic degradation flux ion, commonly known as KDF, along with advanced granular activated carbon to treat the water passing through your hose. When I first tested this at a park with decent city water, it did a passable job of clearing out the basic bad tastes and removing larger sediments. The initial flow rate was acceptable, allowing for basic dishwashing and quick showers without too much sputtering from the faucets. However, the longevity and consistent performance of this filter proved to be a significant hurdle during my testing. While the manufacturer claims it can last an entire camping season, I noticed a severe and frustrating drop in water pressure after just 3 weeks of heavy use at a sandy campground. It seemingly struggles to handle finer particulates, clogging internally much faster than I anticipated. This sudden loss of pressure makes taking a comfortable shower nearly impossible and turns washing dishes into a tedious chore. Furthermore, the overall build quality leaves a bit to be desired when subjected to real-world travel conditions. The plastic housing feels somewhat brittle compared to other models I tested, making me worry about accidental drops on concrete or asphalt. 6. Beach Lane External. This is another inline canister style that makes big promises regarding its leak-free construction and high-flow capabilities. Setting it up on my rig was a very straightforward process, and I have to admit that the heavy-duty brass fittings are undeniably a step up from the standard, cheap plastic threads you usually find in this price bracket. They feel solid in the hand and thread on a standard campground spigots quite smoothly. Internally, it uses a dual-layer filtration process, incorporating both a sediment-catching layer and a carbon block. When I first hooked this unit up at a state park known for having heavily chlorinated, chemical-tasting water, it did an admirable job of stripping out that harsh bite from my drinking supply. The taste was significantly improved during those first few days, making my morning coffee taste like coffee rather than a chemical experiment. Unfortunately, that impressive initial performance plateaued frustratingly fast as my trip continued. The heavily advertised leak-free construction wasn't exactly my experience when put to the test of daily pressure changes. I found myself needing to generously apply Teflon tape to the threads to prevent a persistent, annoying drip at the hose connection. Waking up to a muddy puddle right outside the RV door because the filter couldn't maintain a watertight seal was incredibly frustrating. Moreover, the flow rate took a massive nosedive the moment I encountered well water at a rural hookup. It seems the internal carbon pores clog up incredibly fast if the water source has even slightly elevated levels of iron or fine silt. You are left with barely a trickle coming out of the shower head. 5. Clear 2.0. This is where I started to see a highly noticeable jump in daily reliability and water quality. Right out of the box, the solid block carbon technology caught my eye. This manufacturing method is generally vastly superior to the loose granular carbon found in cheaper models because it forces the water through a much denser, tighter maze of filtration media, ensuring fewer contaminants slip through the cracks. During my testing across several states with varying water profiles, The Clear 2.0 consistently proved its worth when it came to eliminating microscopic contaminants. It is rated to filter down to 1 micron, which is incredibly fine for a simple inline unit. This means it is actively capturing things you cannot even see with the naked eye, like cysts and fine silt, leaving the water crystal clear and perfectly odorless for both drinking and showering. What I really appreciated about this specific filter was the remarkably consistent flow rate it maintained over time. Even with that incredibly dense 1-micron carbon block working hard, my shower pressure inside the RV remained surprisingly strong and steady. I simply did not experience the immediate clogging issues and pressure drops that plagued the previous filters on this list, which made my morning routines infinitely more enjoyable and far less stressful. The physical design of the Clear 2.0 also includes a wider, slightly more robust body specifically designed to hold a larger volume of carbon, which extends its functional lifespan considerably. While it is slightly bulkier to store in your wet bay, the trade-off for significantly safer, better-tasting water over an extended cross-country trip is absolutely worth the space. 4. Camco EVO X2. If you're tired of constantly throwing away disposable inline filters and want something permanent, this system is an absolute game-changer. I opted to mount this unit outside my rig, and the heavy-duty bracket felt incredibly sturdy and secure, easily handling the bumps and vibrations of a long travel day without rattling loose. This system utilizes a highly effective two-step process to purify your water. First, the water hits a 5-micron sediment filter which acts as the heavy lifter, pulling out the abrasive sand, dirt, and rust that typically destroys downstream RV plumbing and water heaters. Then, it flows directly into a dense 0.5-micron carbon block. When I tested this combination on some notoriously murky campground water in the desert, the visual and taste transformation was nothing short of astounding. The taste of the water coming out of my kitchen tap was indistinguishable from premium bottled water. I used it confidently for everything from making ice to brewing delicate teas, and the flavor was perfectly neutral and refreshing every single time. Additionally, the flow rate is incredibly generous, easily supporting multiple faucets running simultaneously without causing that annoying sputtering or sudden pressure loss in the shower when someone flushes the toilet. Maintenance is also a total breeze with the EVO X2 system. Instead of tossing the entire unit into the trash when it gets dirty, you simply use the included wrench to unscrew the heavy-duty housings and swap out the internal cartridges. The wrench makes breaking the seal simple, even when the system has been pressurized for weeks. It is a robust, high-capacity filtration system that easily handles the heavy daily demands of a busy family living on the road. 3. GLACIER Fresh B07 CJJF26S. I have to admit, I was initially quite skeptical of this one, given its visual similarity to the cheaper inline models I had already tested, but putting it through its paces completely changed my mind. This filter manages to pack incredibly advanced purification technology into a highly compact, travel-friendly form factor that takes up virtually no space in your storage compartments. The secret to its outstanding performance lies in its advanced combination of kinetic degradation, flux ion, and premium coconut shell activated carbon. I intentionally hooked this up in an agricultural region known for intense chemical runoff and heavy, unpleasant sulfur smells in the local water supply. Within minutes of running the water, the GLACIER Fresh had completely neutralized the odor, providing sweet, clean-tasting water that I felt perfectly safe giving to my family and my pets. What truly shocked me during my evaluation was its relentless durability and stamina. Many standard inline filters choke out and die after just a few weeks of filtering harsh campground water. But this unit powered through an entire month-long excursion with zero noticeable drop in water pressure. The food-grade plastic housing is exceptionally tough, easily surviving a few accidental drops on concrete utility pads without sustaining a single scratch or crack. Furthermore, it thoughtfully comes packaged with a flexible hose protector, which brilliantly solves the common, infuriating problem of your main hose kinking at the spigot under its own weight. This small but vital addition ensures a smooth, uninterrupted flow of water into your rig. 2. GLACIER R3. This is not just a simple water filter. It is a comprehensive, heavy-duty 3-stage water purification powerhouse designed for serious travelers. When I unboxed the R3, the sheer industrial build quality blew me away immediately. The thickly powder-coated metal bracket and the heavy-duty brass fittings scream durability and promise years of reliable service in harsh outdoor conditions. The 3 distinct stages are what truly make this unit an absolute beast at cleaning water. Water first passes through a dedicated 5-micron sediment filter, then a 0.5-micron carbon block, and finally pushes through an advanced iron and heavy metal reducing filter. I intentionally tested this massive rig on an older well system notorious for leaving stubborn orange rust stains in RV sinks and toilets. The R3 completely eliminated the iron, delivering pristine, clear water and perfectly protecting my RV's sensitive plumbing fixtures. You might reasonably think that pushing campground water through 3 dense, heavy filters would completely kill your shower pressure. But the GLACIER R3 is masterfully engineered for maximum flow. I enjoyed high-pressure, incredibly clean showers every single day of my test, regardless of how questionable the campground hookup looked from the outside. It handles high volumes of water effortlessly, making it perfect for larger rigs with multiple bathrooms or washing machines. Replacing the individual filters is a very straightforward, mess-free process, and the clear plastic canisters gracefully allow you to visually monitor the dirt buildup over time. This takes all the guesswork out of maintenance, letting you know exactly when a filter swap is needed. It is undeniably a heavier, more substantial physical investment, but for full-timers who spend months on the road and refuse to compromise on their health or their water pressure, the R3 is a near-perfect system. 1. Clearsource Premier. If you want the absolute highest quality, safest water possible flowing through your RV, this is the system you need to buy without hesitation. From the exact moment I lifted its rugged, powder-coated chassis out of the shipping box, I knew this system was operating in a completely different league than anything else on the market. The Clearsource Premier utilizes massive, oversized filter canisters that hold significantly more filtration media than any competing unit I tested. It features an incredible hospital-grade 0.2 micron secondary filter. That level of density is fine enough to actively block dangerous bacteria like E. coli and harmful cysts like Giardia from entering your drinking supply. When I ventured completely off-grid and had to rely on highly questionable boondocking water sources, this system gave me absolute, unwavering confidence in my safety. The resulting water quality is simply unmatched by anything else available to RVers today. It tastes noticeably better than premium bottled water, completely and totally stripped of any trace of chlorine, sulfur, iron, or those awful plastic tastes that hoses sometimes impart. Despite the microscopic, hospital-grade level of filtration happening inside, the custom-engineered internal plumbing and oversized water ports deliver an absolute flood of water pressure into the RV. My showers on the road felt exactly as powerful as they do in my sticks and bricks home. Absolutely everything about the Clearsource Premier feels undeniably premium, from the flawless, rust-proof stainless steel fittings to the heavy-duty, bulletproof canisters that feel like they could survive a direct impact. It is certainly a financial investment up front, but considering it definitively protects your health, your family, and your incredibly expensive RV plumbing from devastating sediment damage, it pays for itself almost immediately. Ultra. That's all for today.